Hey, it's Gina with WTI. The only thing you really need to know about this BlendQuik blender is that it is powerful and amazing. Okay, obviously there's more to it than that, but really we have all seen portable blenders. We all know that they're great for use on the go when you're in a hurry, but do they all blend well? No, they do not, and that's where this is really set apart. I was so impressed with the way that the 10 blades were able to completely pulverize kale and spinach, where it was no longer distinguishable from the rest of the smoothie. Now, I generally freeze my bananas when they're starting to go bad, and then I use them in my smoothies. This was able to handle those frozen bananas and other fruit like mango and blackberries and was able to demolish them into nothing. I'm not someone who likes to blend ice up, but of course I had to try it and make sure it could actually crush ice. Oh my goodness, I was so impressed. It makes it into shave ice basically, and how great is that if you're somebody who wants to blend ice up with just like a scoop of protein powder. Some of the other features that I like are that it comes with a straw that comes apart so you can clean it so easily. And the mason jar style is awesome. It makes it so easy to carry around when you're on the go. The charge lasts a long time. You can do up to 12 blends before you have to recharge, which is great. And it's also self-cleaning, so I just add some water in after I'm done blending and then push the button and voila, it cleans it for me. It was even able to get to some of the powder that had gotten stuck on the side that happens sometimes when you're making smoothies. For me, the bottom line on this BlendQuik is that it is powerful, quick, and easy, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. And that's my point of view.